Laughing, Charles ignores Meghan and Harry's accusations and puts on his dancing shoes. King Charles appears to have put Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's documentary behind him as he was seen dancing joyously to the aura. King Charles appears unfazed as he was snapped dancing away at a Jewish community center today. The monarch visited the center, open to all faiths, this afternoon and was filmed dancing with members of the public. The community center acts as a hub for art, culture, social action and learning in North London. He was seen clapping along to the music and dancing with people at the center. Charles arrived at the JW3 Jewish Community Center in Finchley Road, North London, as the Jewish community prepares to celebrate Hanukkah on Sunday. The monarch has continued his duties despite the explosive documentary that concluded on Netflix on Thursday. He was seen dancing joyously to the aura with members of the Jewish community, holding the hands of two pensioners and dancing in a circle to whoops and cheers. Charles also looked delighted when a crowd gathered to chant his name outside. The king waved furiously and grinned at the well-wishers. It came after crowds turned out at Westminster Abbey to cheer William and Kate last night, shouting, "We love you." Some have suggested that the monarch has vowed not to watch the documentary, which saw a number of claims made against Prince William. Last night, the Prince and Princess of Wales were also seen putting the documentary behind them as they stepped out for the Christmas carol service at Westminster Abbey. There were audible cheers from members of the public who shouted "Kate, we love you" and "Prince William, we love you" as they stood in the cold to greet the future king and queen. Other members of the royal family gathered at the church following the explosive release on Netflix. William read a passage from the late Queen's 2012 Christmas message in which Her Majesty said she was always struck by the spirit of togetherness at Christmas. It was a time, she had added, when we remember that God sent His only Son to serve, not to be served. Buckingham Palace and Kensington Palace have said they will not comment on Harry and Meghan's claims, with the king said to be determined never to watch the six-part series. A royal source told the Mirror, "Some astonishing claims have been made but the family are determined to stick together and maintain a dignified silence. They will not be dragged into a tit-for-tat row." Some have argued Prince William took the hardest hit following the final 3 episodes that saw Harry ripping into his brother. Harry claimed the joint statement that had been released following his exit from the institution had not been given his approval.
And all their fire is getting hotter. They'll never learn. Good luck to the hunters who measure love in 1,000 numbers. They'll never reach out to hold another. They'll never learn. Sometimes as I get older, I figure out my heart is getting colder. But I'll never forget, my mind is getting older. I'll never learn.
Astonishing claims have been made but the family are determined to stick together and maintain a dignified silence. They will not be dragged into a tit-for-tat row. Some have argued Prince William took the hardest hit following the final 3 episodes that saw Harry ripping into his brother. Harry claimed a joint statement that had been released following his exit from the institution had not been given his approval.